Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and we have a couple things for you today. Well, some potential future deals is what we have today, written on an 8.5 by 12 piece of paper. But first, if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing and or hyping. If you don't know how to hype, I think you might only be able to do it on mobile. I saw a few questions, but I appreciate you either way for looking for it. Anyways, let's jump in. First reminder, confirmed, free gift. Starting tomorrow, we have a video for it. Did it a few days ago. $34.99 with purchase. Free gift of a moving blanket, the wrenches, or the rags. Or if you're ITC, you get a free gift with any purchase. So I don't know if I can make that appear up here, but watch my free gift video for what I recommend. And look in the comments for what the HARBROs recommend, because your recommendations are always clever and legit. But that's going on. But what I want to go over, and also look at the Dollar Days deals that just came out yesterday. Also great combination to get your free gift, which I think I'll try to put up here as well. But the main reason what I want to go over, saw this post on Reddit, and I want to go over it with the HARBROs because, well, it seems legit. We'll look at it, but I don't know if this came out a while ago, but it's showing 10/30 to 11/2. It was the 15% off. Any single item each day with no exclusions. That's accurate. That happened already. So that checks out. Second deal was 11/7 to 11/9. Free item with any purchase. Specifics closer to the event, but we know it. We're ready for it. And then this person here circled this one. And this is for, it says 11/10 to 11/16. 11/10 is Monday going through that weekend. So it says ITC only weekend offers. So that's weird. The 10th is a Monday, so maybe it's saying specifically for that weekend, but it says ITC only. Again, ITC only. Details closer to the event, but lots of savings for our members. Now, I haven't found this deal yet. Hopefully I'll find it soon, but that's super exciting. And another reason to be ITC, because you'll have some specific deals that are specifically for ITC members only. Going on to the 14th to the 16th, that is that Friday. This one is pretty nice. 30% off items under $20, limit of 5 items per day. So the 30% off items under 20, we love those. Good time to pick up a new mini toolbox. Again, the new colors are $19, but if this weekend deal is accurate, you get 30% off of the new mini steel toolboxes, which would be about a $6 savings. So roughly you get this for about $12, $13. Incredible deal. And I'm perusing the new tools because these are the ones that are least likely to be on sale. Constant swing tubing cutter, the Pittsburgh multi-use saw we've seen. The Quint's precision screwdriver set is already an incredible deal right now. There's been some loopy things where ITC deals have actually stacked. I don't know if this will be the case, but it could be if this happens to be an ITC member only perk. Now it doesn't say that, but that's what happened. But my hypothesis is that's what I'm theorizing what happened this last deal where it was early access to ITC on Thursday and people were able to stack that with ITC deals. But that's good to know. 30% off items 20 and under. And then this we know, 11/24 to 11/26. ITC members get to shop Black Friday deals on the Monday before the holidays through Wednesday and avoid Black Friday crowds. And just the other thing that I wanted to make note of here, this 11/10 to 11/16 lines up with when the next round of super coupons should be dropping. So I wonder what they're going to do there. Of course, the super coupons right now are going through 11/9. But I just wanted to share that with the HARBROs, give you an idea and anticipation of, it seems like there's going to be these separate deals leading up to Black Friday. And we do love to see that. Oh, and here's another one. If that 30% off of $20 and under, the Icon Professional Impact Socket adapter set, 4-piece. Save $6, get this for $14 if this ad is accurate for the 14th through the 16th. And I'll leave it at that. I'll keep it short. Just want to give you a heads up, something coming up before the actual Black Friday / parking lot sale. Let me know what you think of it. We can start planning for it. Good luck this weekend. As always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.